Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I did my little mini haul, right? Mini, you know, like quote mini haul, little 1/32 scale haul the other day, and a few more I forgot I'd even ordered came in, and I wanted to show those. This one, however, is a 67 edition of this PYRO Lozier Briarcliff. Never heard of it at all, ever in my life. And I know I'll probably catch it because I said that. But not only that one, but also came in was this 32 Plymouth convertible Lindbergh kit. Would have been a PYRO kit as well. As a matter of fact, let's check and see. This one's really neat, nice. See if it says PYRO somewhere. Plymouth. See if we can find some PYRO evidence. Ain't seeing no PYRO-ish on the places I thought I might see it. Oh no, this one actually says Lindbergh. Check this out. Well, I would check it out, Matthew, if your the thing would focus. See right there? That says Lindbergh. Huh. Did not know that. Doesn't really matter. Regardless of the fact, it's a new kit. I'll have to get in there and get that glass put in a separate container. Yeah, cool little 32 Plymouth. They all look the same back in those days, you know what? 32 Plymouth, 32 Chevy, 32 Ford. They just looked a lot alike. So this looks like 1986. Okay, and also another Highway Pioneers kit. This one is the foreign car models, and it says 89 Mercedes. Let's see. It's this one, 1913. I guess that's kit number 89. It's the Mercedes. It's this one right here. It's the Mercedes car. It's all bagged up. Everything appears to be there. The box is a little rough, but pretty cool little kit. I'm getting a nice little collection of these. But the reason I wanted to make this video is because of this PYRO, this Lozier Briarcliff. It's sealed, and it's 1967. And I just figured, why not open it? Because I've never got to open a new, I say new, PYRO kit. One thing you don't have to worry about with these is tire burns, because they don't have any rubber tires in them. They're all plastic. So let's unleash. Let's remove this kit from its plastic prison that it's been in since 1967, which would have been about 76 would have been 46, 55 years ago ish. Am I right? 76. It's 46. Yeah, 55 years been wrapped in this plastic. Or it could be just thrown a built model kit. It's packed well. I can promise you that. It doesn't shake much. That might be one that's a glue bomb that somebody had a wrapping machine. No, this plastic looks old. Looks really old. So let's get it out of here. It's a vintage brass car. $1.25. Can't believe you, Matthew. No remorse, no second thoughts, no consideration of the next person that may want to inherit this model. Yeah, you're right. I'm kind of like what the guys were telling me. Why don't you open it up and have fun with it? That's what I'm going to do. Man, this box is nice. Very pristine. Been on somebody's shelf, you know, for all that time. Nothing ever done with it. So let's see for the first time what the inside of a 1967, if I could get the box off, golly, PYRO. Whoa, it's tight, man. Goodness gracious, I'm about to get a crowbar. I don't want to damage the box. Okay, I mean it ain't just coming open. My goodness gracious. There we go. Got it broke loose. Okay, are you ready? Ready? I am. What color is it? Could be green. I've noticed a lot of green kits. Let's see. Whoa! That's not green. That's purple. Wow. Look at here, look at here. Brand spanking new. Never been opened until now. Matthew, you ruined it. It was worth so much more before you opened it. Yeah, probably so. You know what, that it looks awful nice. Look how clean. Not much cleanup at all to do. That looks really nice. Look at that back window. It's like a prison cell. Firewall that was made from wood. Check that out. You see the wood grain? Nice, Pyro. Cool. That was interesting. They made the firewall out of wood. Man, right up against the exhaust. I don't know how smart that was. There's the bottom of the engine with a nice wood grain. Wow. Very nice. Front suspension. The engine was right here. So it looks like it was a, I don't know if they call that a T-head. Not sure. It looks like a 4-cylinder, maybe. But the bottom end looks more like a 6-cylinder. But anyway, there's 2 sets of cylinders. So I'm thinking 4-cylinder. Oh gosh, you can't see it. Right there. Looks like 4-cylinder to me. Oh, there's brass parts in there. I mean, oh. Here's your wheels, your fan, steering wheel. Little. Oh wow, look at this little seat right here. See it on the side? That's the mother-in-law seat, I guess. That's where she would ride. I think my mother and father-in-law watch this. So be careful. There's your, looks like your valve train right there for your top of your heads. Then here's your engine. Your wheels. Those look super nice. This is super nice. That is, I mean, it is. It is just as crisp and clean. There's a little flash on the tree here, but that's, look at these parts. How nice. Carburetor, exhaust manifolds. There are rubber tires. Oh no, did I speak too soon? Wow, okay. Maybe this was like a nicer of the Pyro kits. Lozier. There's body sides. Part of the, looks like part of the roof. There's a big roof. I don't know. There's your one of the seats. Did I already look at another seat? Oh, it's got 2 of those. Oh, hang on. It's got, oh, it's the bucket seats are for the front. Okay. So it's like it's got double bucket seats for the front. Then it's got the mother-in-law seat off to the side. And it's far enough away from the driver because he's driving over here, and she has to sit over here on this side. So she's not. It's far enough away she can't tell him how to drive the car. Anyway, fuel tanks and some other things. This is super nice. And oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the glass. So good news. Number 1, there's not much glass. Number 2, there's no tire burns on it. Wow, this is cool. This is super cool. Never expected it to look that nice. Here's your brass parts. You know, your brass, what the heck is that? The floor pan? I don't know what that is. Looks like the dang floorboard. It's even got wood grain. That would have to be painted. There's your windshield frame. Other brass parts. Your lights or your lanterns. Brake pedals or brake handles. And here are the tires. So we've got a plethora of tires. Little skinnies. I think this is, yeah, it's got to be 132nd. There's your little tires. They look nice. Very neat. Nice and pliable still. They're not rock solid. Okay, here's the instructions. $1967. Yeah, there's the those valves that go onto the side of the engine, and yeah, there's that brass floorboard. I don't know why the floorboard would be brass, but I don't think if I build it, I don't think the floorboard would be brass. All your tires, your little extended roof on the front that I was worrying about. Mother-in-law's seat right there, goes right there on the side. You notice she's not even under the roof. Wow, that was just mean. That's it. That's pretty cool. So my first time building a little pyro kit was this. Remember, if you've watched the videos, this little Lindbergh Model T, which I had so much fun building this little guy. It was Lindbergh box, but it was a pyro kit. Actually, see it down there? Pyroplastics, 1967, popular year for pyro. Anyway, that was my first. This was the most fun ever. Look at that little guy. Isn't that neat? Anyway, not to rob from the Lozier, whatever a Lozier is. Never heard of it, but you guys let me know in the comments what kind of car was that. But this is my first time opening one of these. I've built one now. Now I've got to open a brand spanking new one, and it is absolutely outstanding. I couldn't say anything better. Now, do the parts fit? Heck, I don't know. No earthly idea. They didn't fit so well on that Model T, but you know, these instructions here are much nicer and detailed. It was, remember the Model T just was like an explosion. All the parts like exploded off, and then they put numbers on all the parts. No direction at all on where it goes. These all have the little lines, and it kind of shows you where things should connect. And yeah, pretty cool. So glad I got this. It doesn't matter to me personally what the brand of car is. I love this brass era cars. I think they're the most cool ever. The tires say Lincoln on them. I wonder if these actually... They don't. Oh, that looks like it does have something on there. Ooh, that tire there looks kind of funny. They do have a number or something. I can't tell what it is. No, they all look that way. They have a funny... Inside of the tire's kind of funny looking. Hold on. How many tires are there here? We got a spare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 2, 4. There's 6. I don't know if maybe the tires like went together, fit on each other, glued together, done something crazy. I don't know. Maybe it has a double spare. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Quick video. Just wanted to share with you guys my first time experience opening one of these. And can you imagine it's painted or it's molded in purple? What? That's okay. That's what primer's for. Anyway, fun. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your support of this channel. I do appreciate you so very much. Thank you for the growth that I've experienced with model car videos. Thanks to you guys. Thank you to Mark over at Hobby Nut Models. Don't forget to go over there and check out Hobby Nut Models. Grab yourself a nice model kit, a bottle of paint, an airbrush, an air compressor for your airbrush, all those things that are much needed for the hobby. Go over there and get those things. HobbyNutModels.com. Always linked in the description of the video, as well as the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. The Spring Store, we can grab yourself a neat little t-shirt or sticker or coffee mug with Model Car Videos logo on it. And to my Patreon members, thank you so much. But most importantly, again, thanks to you guys for watching this video, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't get any views. So thanks a lot. And you guys take care. See you on the next one. Take care.